Hello viewers, myself Dipali Trivedi. Now I am going to teach GK. But before starting the video, I would like to say subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates and like and share the video. Hello kids, now our topic is holy places. We are living in India. This is very vast country. There are many holy places in our India where people go to pray to their God. Most of all pupils pray to God to give them a happy family and friends. There is only one God, but we know God by different names. So kids, now I will explain one by one holy places. Now the first holy places is temple. Now students, you can see this is the holy places of Hindus. The Hindus go to temple to worship their god and goddesses. The Hindus offer flowers, fruits and sweets to their god. Now I want to tell you the holy books of Hindus. Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana are the two main holy books of the Hindus. You can see the picture also. Some of the most famous religious places in India like the Golden Temple, Char Dham, Badrinath, Vaishno Devi, Puri, Tirupati, Balaji, etc. Now our second holy places is mosque. You can see the picture also. Mosque. Muslims go to a mosque. They offer namaz to their God Allah. Their holy books is called Quran. Quran is the holy book of Muslim. Now our third holy places is church. The church is the Christian places of worship. The Christians go to church to offer prayer to Jesus Christ. And the Bible is the holy book of Christians. Now our fourth holy places is Gurudwara. Students, Gurudwara is the Sikh place of worship. The Sikhs go to Gurudwara to offer prayer to their gurus. The holy book is called Guru Granth Sahib. They go down and give respect of the holy book of Sikhs. So kids, today you have learned about holy places in India as well as holy books. So now student, now the time is activity time. Students, here you can see one activity. Now you do match the following. I will ask some question and you will give the answer. You can see one side is giving the holy places and other side is giving the holy books, as already I told you in the lesson. So now you will start with me. Now first is temple. So students, now tell me which holy books is related with the temple, Guru Granth Sahib या Bhagavad Gita?
Bhagavad Gita.
Very good. Temple, Bhagavad Gita. Now second, mosque. Related with Quran or Bible?
Quran.
Quran. Very good. The third one is church. So church is related with Guru Granth Sahib या Bible?
Bible.
Very good. Bible. And last, Gurudwara. Gurudwara is related. What is the left?
Guru Granth
Sahib. Very good. So kids, today you have learned about holy places. So you have learned this chapter, learned the holy places and learned the holy books. Thank you.